netizen na ayaw pa rin maniwala na mag-e-end na ang Donbell dahil may biglaan daw na interview at biglaan na sinabi na wag muna silang kukuha na trabaho na magkasama. At sabi nga nila, last movie na ito. At kaya naging usap-usapan, bakit biglang in-announce ito? Sabi nga ng iba, wala ba silang tiwala sa kanilang mga fans kung marketing strategy nila ito? Dahil pagkatapos nilang in-announce na last movie na nila together at bigla naman silang nag-post sa sarili na lang social media at sweet na sweet pa. Dahil nag-media conference na ang Donbell at sabi nga ng isang netizen, based on the media conference and interview for Tayo sa wakas, the overall vibe felt more mature, reflective, and emotionally honest compared to the usual love team promotions. What stood out most to many people was Donnie Pangilinan and Bel Marian spoke less about fantasy romance and more about growth, individually and real life changes. There was this quiet bittersweet energy in the way they answer questions. Hindi siya yung overly scripted, kilig na pilit, parang both of them genuinely know they're entering a different phase as artists and maybe even as people. That's why a lot of fans felt emotional hearing them say the might of their last for now Donbell. At maiyak-iyak nga si Donnie at nung sabihin niya ang kanyang mga fans dahil talagang matagal silang nagkasama-sama at naramdaman ng dalawa kung gaano sila kamahal. I am touched and emotional for Donbell, but so happy that finally Donnie said they are in a great place and the family will always be there until the end. We're in a great place means the relationship is going well and stable, happy, secured, and comfortable. Kuya Robbie said for now, Donnie and Belle din sabi nila, madami daw silang gustong gawin na project together. I think dahil to sa mga bad narratives na natanggap nila from bashers. Donnie it's so gentleman. Ayaw niyang masaktan ang think niya. Wala naman munang project for now. I hope madami pa rin ayuda and kilig. I always pray and healthy relationship.